You're analyzing any stock, not in hours, not in days, but in just 5 minutes. Yes, thanks to AI. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to break down Reddit's stock analysis using a simple framework. And the best part, you can do this for any company you are curious about. Traditional stock research can take hours, right? Reading reports, digging through financial numbers, making sense of the jargon. But AI changes the game totally by doing the heavy lifting for you. So there's this tool called NotebookLM. If you're not familiar with it, it's by Google. It lets you fit in multiple sources and instantly generate insights, summaries, and even full analysis frameworks. So this is a dream for both beginners and seasoned investors. And if you take a look at the featured notebooks over here, you can do something like build a live from the Atlantic, the Economist, even quarter one earnings reports for the top 50 corporations. And you can have 91 sources embedded into it, and then you just do some chat to get what you want from all the sources and even generate the reports out of here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go into Reddit specifically and show you how I use NotebookLM to do a full-fledged stock analysis. Enjoying the breakdown thus far? Appreciate it if you can help me to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Also, join 9,000 plus investors in my free weekly newsletter at investkaki.com, where I share market insights, stock ideas, and investing lessons every single week. Thank you. Here's the notebook that I've been using, called Reddit's AI-driven growth and financial outlook. Let me just share with you how it works. So on the left side, the left panel, you have these sources. You can add in your own source, be it from your own Microsoft Word document, PDF file, or anything. Just upload it. So they support PDF, TXT file, even audio. And the interesting part about this is the discover sources. Okay, so if you click on the discover sources, you can just say that, oh, I'm interested in Reddit. Find me the relevant sources regarding maybe the bull and the bear thesis. Okay, or you can just simply click this if you're feeling curious or anything. So what I just discover sources, I say I want to analyze about Reddit, and they found 6 sources from the internet itself. And once you plug it in, you can come to the chat and simply ask any kind of question, like what is Reddit's main revenue source? And just type in what's Reddit main revenue source. They can generate a response for you. It's simply like ChatGPT, but in this case, they're using the 6 sources over here. Okay, so you can see it's very fast. They straight away tell you that it's advertising sales is 98%. You see all the things that they're saying about the revenue. And then you move on to the right hand side, the right panel, which is a studio. So in the past, there isn't any things interesting when I first look at NotebookLM, but recently they have come up with a lot more new features. So what I did was I played around with it. I have reports. I can create a briefing document. So how it looks is like they straight away give you an investment briefing with the executive summary, the key themes, the sections, what they have discovered and things like that. So it's like a report by itself already. And what you can do is convert to source or simply just copy paste and to Word document to read it further on. You can also have FAQ, come up with all the questions and answers. And what are interesting is actually these other 3 ones, which is the My Map. You can see Reddit investment thesis, click on valuation outlook, click on the valuation targets. Wow, it's so amazing and so nice. And the next one is this, okay, audio. So simply run this audio overview and they can make it into a podcast for you, generate an AI podcast based on your sources. So you can see there are 2 people talking right now, and they're talking about the bull and bear case of Reddit. And the most interesting portion is actually this video overview, which takes quite a bit to run, okay, but the results are fascinating. So let me just show you what is right now. 8-minute video created just from this NotebookLM. And it's actually even better than the one I created myself. So you can see they cover the bull case, bear case, reality check, AI double, edge, sword, and final verdict. And the slides are so nice. I believe I'm going to use NotebookLM for pretty much quite a lot of things going forward. So in less than 5 minutes, I had a clear picture of Reddit. Okay, so massive community strength, potential from AI. Profitability is the big question mark with all the bots that the bears are talking about. So anyway, this investment stock analysis process works for any stock, be it your Singapore stock or Tesla or Apple or even small cap stocks. Just upload the sources and then let AI help you think like a pro. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so more investors can see it. Leave a comment down below. Which of these stocks do you own or are planning to research further? And if you haven't already, join 9,000 plus readers in my free weekly newsletter over at investkaki.com, where I share market insights, stock ideas, and personal investing lessons every week. With that, signing off and see you in the next video. Bye bye.